There is nothing better than settling down at your sewing machine on a cold winter's evening, a hot drink in hand, and a glittering new thread pack open and ready to stitch into your holiday-themed projects. Whether you're treating yourself or a friend this year, these thread collections are sure to impress. What's more, we're offering each pack at reduced pricing, so we can share the spirit of the holidays with you. Got a love of sparkles? These thread packs include 5 spools of GlaMore, our 12-weight rayon and metallic threads that are ideal for anything from embellishment to embroidery to thread painting, anywhere you want a decorative look in your stitching. What's more, this year we've created 4 totally new and unique limited edition GlaMore colors: Snowflake, Winter Wonderland, Christmas Tree, and Candy Cane. Each colorway includes 2 of the limited edition colors, so grab yours before they're gone. To help facilitate your creativity, this pack comes with a free project pattern with instructions for a reindeer mug rug. Make one for yourself or a full set for your friends and family. It's easy to get festive with your new GlaMore threads by coordinating them in this fun project. Cozy up with Eleganza, our number 8 double-gassed Egyptian pearl cotton threads. Designed for hand embroidery and wool applique, these beautiful threads are sure to paint your hand embroidery projects in a seasonal palette. This popular thread comes in 3 holiday colorways: Frosted Landscape, Deck the Halls, and Modern Christmas. This pack also comes with 3 patterns for a set of adorable wool or felt cut ornaments. Hang them on your tree or decorate a lovingly wrapped gift with a handmade touch. They're easy enough for beginner stitchers to make on their own and are perfect for embellishing with your Eleganza pearl cotton threads. For an 8-weight thread that's not afraid to be a little extra, pick up a box of Dazzle. Available in your choice of colorways, Holiday Wreath and Winter Magic, you can use these juicy, glittery threads for anything from couching to hand embroidery, and even in the loopers of your serger machine. It's the perfect choice for adding texture and sparkle to your holiday projects. These packs come with a free stocking pattern that is perfect for personalizing and making your own. Couch, serge, and use bobbin work to decorate it with a beautiful array of Dazzle threads from your pack for that special touch. And for those who just love the surprise of opening up a gift, these mystery blind boxes are here to deliver. Every mystery pack includes a WonderGuard thread guard, 2 mini spools of DecoBob 80-weight cottonized polyester, a spool of Spotlite 40-weight rayon core metallic, and also 1 spool of either GlaMore 12-weight rayon and metallic in one of 4 limited edition colors, Fabulux 40-weight trilobal polyester, or Mirage 30-weight random dyed rayon. The perfect combination of threads to do a variety of projects, such as piecing a quilt, doing some machine embroidery, or making your project pop with some decorative stitches. You won't know which coordinated color combination you'll get until you open it up. Inside, you'll get 2 free machine embroidery patterns to make a freestanding lace project, using the threads in your pack, a beautiful candle holder, and an ornament ball. Digitized specially for the threads included, it's the perfect way to show off your thread and create something to bring the festivities to your home. Where will you plan to use your holiday thread pack? Tell us in the comment section about your project plans. If you like this video, help out our channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified when we post a new video with more sewing tips and tutorials. You can also sign up for our weekly educational sewing and quilting newsletter to get the first look at free projects, sewing tips that will make you jump for joy, and inspiring tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Follow the link in the description box below to sign up. Inspired to sew with WonderFil threads? Check the description box for a list of stores and retailers you can purchase WonderFil threads from in your country. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again next time.